Kieha kinene ni kireketi kugomera the entire radio fraternity ona nginya fans na mashabiki. A top radio presenter who is also an MC passes away. Ndeto atiga aige mategwitikia na muno makiubora ati ahuruka orerema aratanyitwo gukorwo na igongona ria mwanya muno ria gukungwira uini wake. But sadly, he did not make it to see that day. He has sadly passed away. Na ndeto egetigete a Kenya na kia kinene muno kiroko kio muthi ndeto mokirire gutungwo nayo kiroko kio muthi ni mutino muru muno wa bara uhanikite. Mutino wacungiriria ikuo cia andu eri so far na angi anana magitigo makihonia nguraro, na mutino uyu hanikire along Nakuru Eldoret highway kuria trailer irekanite gukorwo ikumite mwena wa Nakuru ikorire kiguthana kiongo gwa kiongo na matatu igukuite athii. Na according to the eyewitnesses ni maburite ati trailer ni ikugeragia ku overtake agi probox na niguo ithire ikunite matatu iria nayo ikumite on the opposite side, leading to a very tragic head-on collision, this being the remains of the matatu. Otolora kiona the entire front of the matatu was badly damaged. Na a Kenya magitigo makiuria kana hihi ndereba wa matatu ino ni survivire kana ni akorirwo akigurara, but it has been confirmed that 2 people nio makorirwo magikwa mutino-ini uyu, na pole sana to the families of the affected persons in this accident. Na riu kuri ndeto itigite the entire Kikuyu radio fraternity in deep mourning, and even the MC sector todo uyu hurukite. He was not just a radio presenter, ni arari MC we gumo muno, no mani arakorirwo akihuruka. The cause of death not yet revealed, no niarekanite gukorwo arari na launch ya rwimbo rwake coming Sunday the 2nd of June, but unfortunately he didn't get to see this day tonduma he is gone. MC Muthee Njagathi uria oekaine muno ceceni-ini ya Radio Maria, he is no more. Na ndeto ni kirekererio ni Ngugi wa Karanja MC kuria cakaite na ruo runene muno na kinyitira na mashabiki kuhoera family ya MC Muthee Njagathi na mafans na arata makionania kwa gwitikia kwao ati MC Muthee Njagathi is no more, gone too soon. Na our deepest condolences to the family, may he rest in eternal peace.